Everyone, in this video, we're going to be looking at two different things. The tropical update, I'll just say that, and we're going to be looking quickly into the severe weather. This is going to be a pretty quick video, but right now we have the remains of 3. So did not form in the tropical storm Chantal. I never thought it would, but it's remnants of 3 advisory. 4 has 35 mile per hour winds to minimum central pressure of 1014 or 1014 millibars. Excuse me, but we also have why I'm showing you guys this is we also have this area in yellow right here. This area in yellow is okay. So right now we have a cold front coming across the area. It's bringing some tornado warnings. That's what we're going to be looking at in a few minutes, but that's going to stall and turn into a stationary front right there, pretty much. Not right there, but probably like right here. And so that's gonna bring the chance of some development, because those stationary fronts helped some development. Can help things develop in the Gulf of Mexico. So they have given this area in the next 5 days a 20% chance of forming into something. So they're giving it really a marginal area of forming. If we click this, that's all that comes up. And so, yeah, that's that. But first of all, I'm an idiot, and so I never loaded up the GFS model, but we'll just do that real quick. Of course, because I'm trying to do this fast. But you can see, after this loads, we're going to go down to the southeast and look at this. But right now you can really see our pretty good cold front. This is a good summertime cold front. You can see pretty good, right? You can see it really good right there. This is the new one, but you can see it'll kind of stall right there. You can still see the cold front, but we're gonna go back to the 12Z so we can get more an extended outlook, because the 18Z is not fully out yet for some reason. But you can see the GFS model is not saying much. We got to get it loading in, but the GFS model is not saying very much. There, everything's loaded in, but the GFS model is not saying much of any organization of this system, of potential, or not potential, but this area we have right here, and it's not saying any organization of it. We can check out what the RWF model says, but that's well, no, this is not an invest yet, so we can't right now, but. Now let's go look at the severe weather threat for today and tomorrow and Thursday. But today we have an area of marginal going from Washington and Oregon to Idaho, Colorado, or Wyoming and Montana. And then we have another area of marginal in California for monsoons, California. Of course, this is updating. I hate this. Then we have another area of marginal in California, Nevada, Arkansas, or not. Oh my gosh, Arizona. That's my bad. Utah, we have that area marginal. We have another area marginal going from Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, into Georgia. Inside of that, there's a slight from Virginia, North Carolina, into South Carolina. There's been a lot of tornado warnings. I have to say that today. I think there's been like a lot of them issued for 3 different cells. There was one right here on the coast this morning, about noon, I think. There's one over there, or 12. But now I think there was a few in North Carolina in that particular area by Raleigh. One was right there by the Raleigh, the radar closest to Raleigh. But tornado threat's only at 2%. Wind threat is the big threat with all of these marginal risks. That's why there is marginal risk. And the hail threat is a threat in Montana. But wind threat is why there's a slight risk too. But day 2 for tomorrow, we have just a marginal risk going from Montana to Wyoming to Nebraska, South Dakota, and North Dakota. Nothing too severe. There could be some probably storms that could fire up with some hail in them, and maybe even or likely some damaging winds if the storms do get fired up. But for day 3, I think there could potentially be a lot of severe weather, because there's a slight risk on day 3. I think this could get upgraded to maybe an enhanced risk. If it does, I'd say it would be right here in Minnesota. May do that tomorrow. may do that, but I think there's about a 75% chance this will be an enhanced risk by when this actually happens on a Thursday afternoon. But there's a marginal risk going from North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. And we have that slight going from Minnesota to North Dakota and South Dakota. But that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to the channel. We are at 178 right now, and I hope you have a good rest of your Tuesday, and peace out.